Welcome everyone to the SL Tech Brain YouTube channel. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can watch more videos like this. I have another earbuds, and this is from TWS. Uh, Comparing to the previous one, previous earbuds Pro from Cone, the casing is bad. Uh, you can see casing of Cone and the casing of TWS. The casing is I don't like it. You can see how cool this casing is. By casing, the cost, the person that buys this will understand how quality of the music, how could it be inside. So they use some photos in here. I think the earbuds were cool, but the casing, I'm not satisfied with this. Then let's see inside the old type, the plastic box. Cool. Not like this. The earplugs came under the plastic part. In this, they have separate part to keep this paperwork and this stuff. I think the earbuds is cool, look like cool, but the casing not satisfied. Then let's take this. I think this is the power bank. I ordered this from Daras because I saw a display in here. Okay. The earbuds came separately. Okay, the buds looks same as Samsung buds. Only to clip here. Oh, when we plug this, the display will be automatically turned on. The battery of this, there are separate battery levels for the two earbuds, and for charging there is a USB and a micro USB. This is cool. When you charging it, it's red light, and I think there is a blue light too. I saw it in Daras, and when you close it, still you can see the display. You don't actually need to open the casing and see the battery percentage. You can see from top when the lid is closed. Then let's see the sound of it. In box I tell about the box. This have touch control and spirals. That's it. Is I knew it. In Cone, they tell in the true wireless earpods Pro. In TWS, they tell in true wireless earbuds with power bank. Let's see the cover. Now I'm gonna connect this to my laptop. Let's see. Oh, if you didn't watch the corn video, you can click, I think, here or here. There will be the link, or you can click the link in description. Watch this corn uh, earbuds, earpods. It's cool. Then let's connect this thing. Okay. Uh, Corn, you had a pop-up screen for Apple, but in TWS, uh, in Android, in iPhone, in any no phone or any PC, you need to go to settings and select the device. I think this will be shown as TWSO. Let's see. Oh, okay. Uh, this has to connect, fit like this, not for downside like this. It won't fit. You need to fit this up. You can see like this. Uh, in this paperwork too, there you need to read this, because you can see lots of instruction that telling lots of things how to turn on, turn off. Okay, let's see. Still it didn't connect it. Like this case, this won't connect. Okay, I think Bluetooth headset. Okay, it's showing you TWS Bluetooth headset. Let's see after it connected. Okay, it has connected. Let's see the differences between I. Let's see what is the best. Is the corn or TWS? Not too bad. Comparing to corn, the corn is great. Uh, Not bad, not bad. Same like corn, uh, everything is clear, and this volume, uh, in maximum volume, I think. Oh, the one thing I have missed, in corn they have uh, active noise cancellations, but I think in TWS they don't have that, so you can hear uh, around sounds when you wearing this. That's not a big problem. uh, okay, then if you like this video, gives me a thumbs up. uh, Share this video to see your friends, and I'll put the link how can you buy this and other stuffs. And if there are any questions, ask me in comment section. Comment section is open for you all, and I'll catch up you from a new video. Peace.